touching ground. Now the fire, it actually started the day before. Wasn't spotted till the 5th by a fire tower south of Helena. Put a call into the smoke jump base out of Missoula, Montana. Man Gulch is on fire. Send us out a stick. So a plane was dispatched about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and a little before 5, it was circling the head of the gulch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Sarah. I'm so glad to have you here. We have been doing a ton of fun stuff lately, so make sure you comment, like, and subscribe down below, and I really appreciate that. So please go ahead and do that. And today we have a super fun video for you. We go through the gates of the mountains. It is a boat tour on the Missouri River, and it was area that was explored by Meriwether Lewis, and it is absolutely beautiful. One of the most beautiful things that I've ever seen. Montana continues to just blow me away. It is incredible. So yeah, I'm going to cue the clips now and you guys can check it out.
Got the feeling in your arms and me, the kind of feeling where you simply breathe. Don't you worry, let me
I hardly have to drive.
'cause I think I know where you always stood. You give everything so easily, but there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall, and all the fighting and just let it fall. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time.
Ponderosa pine, that dark mass toward the top is actually.
When I reach you and you feel your heart, I'm gonna teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. Behind the gardeners was always you. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. Yeah, I'll make you, there's a guarantee. I don't care about your history. Come and open up your heart to me, to me. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason.
So guys, we just pulled off at Meriwether campground, and it is a stop on the boat tour. So it's a restroom break if you're not on the boat with the restroom on there, and you get to kind of explore this campsite in the area a little bit. It is absolutely beautiful on here. It's very cool. There's also a little water fountain that is now on the ground, but that used to be a full-size regular water fountain for people, but it was due to fires and avalanches and rock slides and stuff, it's now at like ground level. So that's how much rock and debris had built up over the years that this.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow.
Thank you so much.
Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life.
Okay guys, so that concludes my video so for today, that is the gates of the mountain, and you can see how naturally beautiful and untouched it is. It is incredible. The tour guides are extremely knowledgeable. Our tour guide was incredible, which can make or break an experience, but absolutely beautiful, beautiful location. And just to give you a few quick facts, it was $16 a person for like 18 to whatever they classify seniors as, and then there is some other ticket options if you're like military or senior, child, things like that. Everything will be linked down below. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media to stay up to date on everything that's going on and get live updates of where I am and what I'm doing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.